Hello world, my name is Ramil, and today I want to start my video vlog on YouTube. I live in Russia, and as you can see it's snowstorming here, so I choose this weather to attract you maybe a little bit to my video vlog. I want to make maybe daily vlogs about my life, about my daily life, and and let's see what I will do in my YouTube channel. As you can see, it's beautiful snowy weather here, so um, so maybe about this will be my vlogs. So I think that's all for the first time. I hope you are doing well there. See the beautiful place here. It's a park near my hometown. So I hope you are doing well there, and so I'll try to make videos on my YouTube channel. I hope you will enjoy my videos. Subscribe, and bye for now. Goodbye. See how much it is beautiful. Goodbye for now, guys. Goodbye.